Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Try and Learn. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel this way and hit the bell icon to get immediate notification. So now let's start today's session. Dear viewers, our today's topic is on narration change of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. So let's start with the rules. Stay till the end of the video. Rule number 1. The first rule is we know that an imperative sentence gives order, request, advice, command, etc. Order, request, advice, command, etc. According to the sense of the imperative sentence in the direct speech, the reporting verbs will be either order, request, advice, command, etc. Rule number 2. The imperative mood changes into infinitive. Infinitive means to is used before the main verb of the direct speech. To is used before the main verb of the direct speech to make infinitive. Means here to is used like linker. Though it is not linker, it is used as linker here. Next rule means rule number 3. If the imperative sentence is negative, if negative imperative sentence, then not to is used before main verb. Not to is used before main verb. In place of not, we can use forbid as the reporting verb. In case of negative imperative sentence, not to is used before main verb or forbid is used as reporting verb. If forbid is used, then not is not used because forbid takes the negative form. Next, remember one thing. The expressions like please, sir, these things are left out in direct speech. When in the direct speech these expressions are there like please or sir, then these are replaced by the word request in the reporting verb. When in the direct speech sir, please, such type of expressions are there, these are left out by the word or the main verb or the reporting verb request. Or like adverbs, we can use some adverbs like kindly or politely in place of them. Now let's see some examples. If we take this first example, father is the speaker, said to is the reporting verb, me is the listener, and this is direct speech. According to the rule, first the speaker, father, the said to will change into any one of those reporting verbs according to the sense of this word, this sentence. Go home at once. It shows order, so it will come ordered. Past tense, father ordered me. Then here infinitive form will come, means to plus main verb, to go home at once. Father ordered me to go home at once. If we say the next example, the man said to her, please help. Here the man is the speaker, said to reporting verb, her is the listener, and please help is the direct speech. According to the rule, the man said to will change into request because the word please is there. Requested. The man requested her, main verb, means here to will be added, to help. The man requested her to help. If we take the next example, mother said to him, don't touch it. Here the mother is the speaker, reporting verb, listener, and the direct speech. The direct speech is imperative in negative. So mother said here, it can be order also, So order or told. If you think that sense is not clear here, told him. Then as it is negative, not to. Then infinitive, touch. 2 plus V1, touch it. Mother ordered or told him not to touch it. Or we can use forbid as the reporting verb. Mother. Past tense forbid will become forbade. Mother forbade him to. Here not will be avoided because forbade has taken the negative sense. Forbade him to touch it. Mother forbade him to touch it. So practice. For any queries, please comment. And our next session will be on the special cases of imperative sentence starting with let. Now our next session will be on the special cases of imperative sentence in narration change starting with let. If you like it, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.